Okay, the next video is on factorizing. So factorizing means turning an expression into factors, i.e. into brackets that can be multiplied. Okay, we start very simple with the expression 6x squared minus 12x. We have to find the highest common factor between 6x squared and 12x, and we then take that outside of the bracket. So the highest common factor between 6 and 12 is 6, and the highest common factor between x squared and x would be x. So we take this outside of the bracket and see what we have left. So if we take 6x out of 6x squared, we are only left with x, because 6x squared would be like 6x x. I'm taking the 6, I'm taking one x, so that means I'm only left with an x. Minus then, and 12x. So if I take 6 out of 12, that means I divide. So I divide 12 by 6. That leaves me with 2, and I've taken the x out, so that would be everything. So there would be nothing else left. Okay, so the second type of factorizing is called grouping. So we would have an expression like, for example, 2ab plus 2ac plus 3bx plus 3cx. So I divide this into two parts. This is one part, and this is the other part. So I ignore the second part for now, and I just look at the first part and see what is the highest common factor, what can I take out. So I would have between the first and the second, I could take out 2a. Both of them have 2a. I open a bracket. If I take out 2a, I'm left with b plus c. Then I write my plus. I look at the second part, and I can take out 3x. I have 3x in both of them. I take out 3x. I have my bracket then. And if I take 3x away from the first one, I'm left with b. If I take 3x away from the second one, I'm left with c. And as we can see now, the bracket in the first part and the second part is the same. So that would be then one of the brackets, b plus c, and the other bracket would be this and this. So that is the other bracket, 2a plus 3x, and this how I've turned it into two brackets, two factors. Another example of that would be 8ax plus 4ay minus 6bx minus 3by. Again, I turn it into two parts. And now I look at the first part. What can I take out? I can definitely take out an a, and 4 goes into both numbers. So I can take out 4a. My bracket now. If I take out 4a out of the first one, I'm left with 2x. Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. Plus, if I take out 4a out of the second one, I'm left with y. So now I write a minus here. Okay, so what can I take out? 3bx, 3by, so 6bx, 3by, I can take out 3b. Minus 3b. If I take out 3b, I'm left with 2x. Yeah, so because I've taken out the b, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now, because I've taken out a minus here, I have to change this minus now to a plus, because minus divided by plus is a minus. So that now becomes a plus. So 3by, I've taken out 3b, I'm only left with y. Okay, so my brackets are the same, so that would be one of the brackets, 2x plus y, and the other bracket would then be this and this. For a minus 3b. Okay, another type of factorizing is the difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Okay, an example of that one would be 9x squared minus 4. The way we recognize it, we have a square, we have a minus, which is the difference, and we have another square. So the difference of two squares. So the way we solve it, we have two brackets. One gets a plus, one gets a minus, and then we look at 9x squared. What number or letter multiplied by itself gives me 9x squared? So essentially we have to take the root. The root of 9 is 3. I write that here and here. The root of x squared is x. Yeah, so x times x is x squared. So I write an x in here and an x in here. We look at the 4. The root of 4 is 2. So 2 times 2 gives me 4. So I write it 2 here and I write it 2 here, and that's it. Another example of that would be 12x squared minus 75y squared. So it kind of looks like a difference of two squares, but not really, so numbers don't fully match up. So we'll see whether we can find a highest common factor that we can take out and whether that would help us. So the highest common factor between 12 and 75 would be 3. So if I take 3 out, 12 divided by 3 is 4x squared. If I take if I divide 75 by 3, I get 25. So now I can see, now I have, after I've taken out the 3, I have the difference of two squares. So now I'll just carry the 3 with me, and now I have my two brackets. I have a plus, I have a minus. So I take the root of 4x squared, which is 2x. I write that here and I write that here. I take the root of 25y squared. I write it here, that which is 5y, and I write that here and I write that here, and I am done.